Alright guys, here goes a little whooping around. Playing around with that Reiki RC H36 HW. Give you guys a little voiceover here. I got it in first mode, beginner right here. Because it seems to get a little squirrely when you get close to walls. It kind of vacuums up to the wall quite a bit. That's with most little whoops, you know, you'll get close to a wall and it'll suck you to it. I kick it up here a little bit. In mode 2, it's a little faster. Had to get away from that curtain over there. I'm gonna throw out some funnels right here. Here comes some good funnels. Boy, that sucker it'll cut some tight funnels. Might want to throw up. And I'm telling you, you get the full 3 minutes out of this. I mean, that's all you get out of it is 3-minute flight, but you got extra batteries and you can fly some more. I think I kick it up into high speed right in here somewhere. The next part of this clip, here in a minute after I crash, because the battery died, I fly a bunch in high speed. Didn't wear my goggles today because I kind of got a headache. I didn't feel like putting them on. I figured it might make my headache worse. Now, we're still in mode 2 here. Haven't kicked it up yet. I'm gonna do a couple flips here in a minute. Do a couple double flips. Not yet. That's when I hit the wall the first time because I got vacuumed in. Now I'm in fast mode. Boom, battery gone. Stay tuned. Here comes the next clip. Be here in just a second. All right, we have liftoff. There's going to be a lot more fast mode in this one. I'm going to do some double front flips close to the middle or the end. There's a left flip. There's another left flip. Getting sucked to the wall. I got it in 2 right now, in mode 2. It's a pretty quick little bird. Love this little whoop. Just wish it wasn't a Wi-Fi whoop. Wish it was full FPV. Crashed out right there, got sucked to a curtain, and ended up under a slot machine. But I think I can recover it. It's kind of hard getting out of there, scaring the cat off. All right, I got out. Let's see if I can get some altitude. Slot machines and curtains. They don't like my whoop. All right, we're back in mode 1 here. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit. Mode 2. Moving a little bit quicker. There's a right flip. Now we're in mode 3, front flip. And get her off the ceiling. That altitude hold, when you flip, it always wants to bring it back up high. Here comes a double front flip. Boom, boom. Got another double coming. Got to get in here and get situated so I'm out of the way of everything. Try to get some height on it. Because this is going to be a continuous hold front flip. This isn't click, click. This is continuous hold front flip right here. Bam, bam. Double front flip. You can do double any flip. You can double up, just hold the controller stick to the right when you're in acro mode, or left, or up, or down. And we're getting close to the battery being drained. I end up landing over next to the sliding glass door and get sucked up against the sliding glass door because the battery started dying. That's me in the curtain, of course, getting sucked in there, and boom. Battery's dead. It's done. All right, guys. Well, that was just a little video for you guys to check out. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Appreciate all your help. This is Deezy. Check out my boy J Drone over at Drone Days and J Drone on YouTube. Check out my Facebook page. It's all down below. Nothing but love, guys. Deezy out.